Picture this. You're scrolling through your feed, drowning in ads for crypto scams and dropshipping gurus promising you a Lambo by Tuesday. Meanwhile, your bank account's screaming, "Bro, we're still eating ramen." Sound familiar? Welcome to 2025, where everyone's chasing financial freedom but most are just running in circles. What if I told you there's a way to actually break free, using AI, not some sketchy get-rich-quick scheme? Stick around because this stick figure's about to drop some truth bombs on AI business ideas that could turn your hustle into real money. No fluff, no hype, just raw, practical ideas for young hustlers like you. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Your future wallet will thank you. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with 3 AI-powered business ideas that are not only doable, but could set you up for long-term financial independence. Let's be real. You're not here to stay broke forever, right? So why AI? It's not just for tech nerds coding in their mom's basement. AI's the new electricity. It's everywhere and it's changing how we make money. But here's the kicker. Most people are sleeping on the real opportunities because they're too busy asking ChatGPT to write their Tinder bio. Let's start with the first idea. AI-driven content creation for niche markets. You know those cringy finance TikToks with dancing millionaires? Imagine doing that, but smarter. Picture a stick figure like me explaining crypto to Gen Z with snappy AI-generated scripts tailored to their slang. Tools like Jasper or Grok can churn out blog posts, video scripts, or social media content faster than you can say, algorithm. The trick? Target underserved niches, like personal finance for gig workers or budgeting for digital nomads. Use AI to analyze trending keywords, craft content, and optimize it for platforms like YouTube or Instagram. A buddy of mine started a channel for truckers, using AI to write scripts about tax deductions. He's now pulling in $5K a month from ads and sponsorships. The secret? AI does the heavy lifting, but you add the human spark. Pick a niche you vibe with and you're halfway there. Let's talk about the second AI business idea. Because, let's face it, you're not here to just dream about quitting your 9-to-5. You want a plan that doesn't involve selling your kidney on the dark web. Enter AI-powered financial coaching. Yeah, I know. Coaching sounds like something your Uncle Bob does after watching too many motivational TED Talks. But hear me out. People are desperate for financial advice that doesn't bore them to death or cost an arm and a leg. AI can make you the coolest financial guru since that guy who invented the FIRE movement. Here's how it works. Use AI tools like Claude or custom-built chatbots to create personalized financial plans for clients. You plug in their income, expenses, and goals, like buying a house or escaping student loan hell, and the AI spits out a tailored roadmap. Your job? Add the human touch. Maybe throw in a sarcastic quip about avocado toast budgets to keep it real. A friend of mine started offering AI-driven budgeting sessions for freelancers on Zoom. She charges $50 a pop, and the AI handles 80% of the math. She's now got a wait list longer than a CVS receipt. The secret sauce? AI lets you scale without burning out so you can help more people while sipping coffee in your pajamas. Oh, and pro tip, market this on LinkedIn, where young professionals are begging for advice that doesn't sound like it came from their grandpa's accountant. Next up, let's talk about something juicier. AI for automated investing. No, not those shady trading bots that promise 500% returns and leave you broke. I'm talking about building a service that uses AI to analyze market trends and suggest low-risk investment portfolios for regular folks. Tools like TensorFlow can crunch data faster than you can say stock market crash. Package it as an app or newsletter, charge a subscription, and watch the cash flow. The catch? You gotta learn the basics of AI APIs. But trust me, it's easier than assembling IKEA furniture. This is your ticket to building wealth while helping others do the same. Just don't start wearing a suit and tie, okay? So, you're still here, which means you're either serious about this financial freedom thing, or you're just procrastinating on your TPS reports. Either way, let's talk about the third AI business idea, AI-driven micro-learning for financial literacy. Look, most people's financial knowledge is a patchwork of TikTok advice and that one time their cousin yelled, "Buy Dogecoin," at a barbecue. There's a huge gap for bite-sized, actually useful financial education, and AI can make you the hero who fills it. Picture this. You create a platform or app that uses AI to deliver 5-minute lessons on stuff like how to not blow your paycheck on sneakers, or why your 401k isn't a scam. Tools like Articulate or even custom AI models can generate interactive quizzes, videos, or infographics tailored to your audience's needs. Here's the analogy. Think of yourself as a chef, and AI's your sous chef, prepping the boring stuff so you can serve up the good stuff, like relatable stories or snarky tips that stick. A guy I know launched a micro-learning series for millennials on taxes, using AI to customize content based on user inputs. He's now got 10,000 monthly subscribers at $5 a pop. The secret nobody talks about? People will pay for education that doesn't feel like a lecture hall. Use platforms like Teachable, plug in AI to personalize the experience, and market it on Instagram Reels with your stick figure charm. Oh, and here's a lesser-known hack. Focus on hyper-specific pain points like how to save for a house when rent's eating you alive. AI can analyze social media trends to find what your audience is freaking out about, so you're always one step ahead. The best part? You don't need a PhD in finance, just enough hustle to learn the tools and a knack for keeping it real. This isn't about preaching. It's about giving people the keys to stop living paycheck to paycheck, all while you're building a business that could outlast your student loans. All right, let's land this plane before you get distracted by another Netflix binge. You've got 3 AI business ideas in your pocket: content creation for niche markets, financial coaching with a snarky twist, and micro-learning to save people from financial faceplants. But here's the real talk. None of this works if you're just gonna nod, say cool, and go back to scrolling. Financial freedom isn't a PowerPoint slide. It's a grind, and AI's your cheat code to make it less painful. Think of it like a gym buddy who spots you on the heavy lifts but doesn't do the reps for you. These ideas, content, coaching, learning, aren't just random. They're built for 2025, where AI is exploding and people are desperate for real solutions, not more motivational posters. The secret nobody's shouting from the rooftops? You don't need to be a tech genius or a Wall Street bro to pull this off. You just need to pick one idea, learn the tools, and stop overthinking it. My buddy who started that trucker finance channel, he wasn't born with a silver MacBook. He just saw a gap, used AI to fill it, and now he's living better than most of his haters. You're a young hustler with big dreams. Don't let "I'm not ready" be your excuse. Start small, mess up, learn, and keep going. That's how you turn a side hustle into a life where you're not sweating rent every month. So here's your move. Pick one of these ideas, content, coaching, or learning, and commit to researching one AI tool this week. Not tomorrow, not when I have time, this week. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because this stick figure's got more game plans coming. Drop a comment with the word hustle to let me know you're serious about this. Financial freedom's not a fairy tale. It's a choice. So what's it gonna be? Another year of wishing, or the year you actually make it happen? Your call.